Good afternoon. Welcome back. It has been a long, long time, and we haven't been able to do one of these for 2 years. So it is so beautiful to see so many beautiful faces here in Chambers Plaza at the Art Center. Welcome back, Newark. We made it.
Thank you.
This is Horizon Foundation Sounds of the City. We've done this for 20 years, and this is the first of a whole summer's worth of Thursday nights. And we want you to come back every week.
I'm just happy to be back together again. We had a rough 15, 16 months, y'all. But I'm going to tell you what, God is good. I'm just thankful. Look, after that 15 months, every day is my birthday. Every time I wake up and see the sun, I don't care if it's a good day or a bad day, I'm glad to be breathing, walking, moving, alive. I'm so excited. And listen, my prayers and blessings to everybody that did not make it across with us. But I tried to do my best to make sure as many of us could visit 2021 that was with us in 2020.
Let this moment be a moment of recognition and of a moment of action. Let this land acknowledgement of the beginning of our return to unity. Let this guardians of the water, the air and the earth, and the four-legged, the flyers, the swimmers, and the crawlers, the mammal and the green. Let us now stand, lifting our humanity and rapturing the earth's consciousness as guardians of harmony and kindness. Ashe.